Hello and welcome to Leon's Lockpad. It is not a parcel video, it's not a picking video today, it's a parcel video today. A very nice parcel off Ryan mcCreary. But before we unlock that, same as usual, if you're interested in lock sport, you want to get involved, please check out www.uklocksport.co.uk. And if you like to my channel, hit that subscribe button, that bell icon. Has made 2-3 videos per week, from picking locks to challenge locks to locks tutorials, all types of lock stuff related really. Also check us out on Discord Lock Sport community. On my last video, by the way, I put lock picking community and it's lock sport community. I don't know why. I'm an idiot. I need to resort that out. Yeah, so it's Discord Lock Sport community. We're having a pin-a-thon on there at some point, so come and please check us out. Or if you get in contact me, I'll send you a direct link to it. I'm also on UKLP and on Twitter. So let's get going. I have no idea. Obviously I know there should be some locks in here, something like that. What I'm not going to do, let me just remove the box so we've got some room. Loads of packing material. Oh wow. Yes. Awesome. Oh. We have a big bunch of locks. Right. Oh wow. Oh, let's start off with the yes. Thank you, Ray, my friend. Absolute awesome. I was mentioning that I needed somewhere to put my pics because I'm getting fed up with my pics being in front of my camera, and I'm not getting as much space as what I need. So he gave me one of this to put all my favourite pics that I use the most in the top, and tension wrenches and that, pins and that. Absolute fantastic, Ryan, mate. Love that. Absolute brilliant. Bring this camera down a bit. Number two, he has made me, which I did need, is a pinning tray. I needed a small portable pinning tray for when I'm out and about. Absolutely fantastic, mate. Thank you very much. Love that. Very cool. Now let's see what we've got on the locks. Okay. Pinned by... Oh, Bronx Lock 60. Fantastic. Nice bitting on that. Awesome lock. Awesome. We have Fault Set. I've heard of this one. It's a Neo Sapien. Oh, awesome. Still got one of your locks, mate. Lovely tricky thing. I'm working on getting it picked and sorted. We've got another challenge like that he sent me. Oh, here we go. My nemesis. It's Bill. Aha, now that bitting is a little bit better than his usual, and probably have a chance of actually... Ooh, it works so smooth that. Picking that. Awesome. Oh, and a kick holder, another one. Oh, it's a kick holder with a bottom bit. Fantastic. I have a really nice one that I have for a Foxy here. Love this one. But it doesn't have the bottom bit in it. And this lock is the Test of Time, pinned by Ryan M. Oh, cool, Ryan, mate. One of your own challenge locks. Nice bitting. Very nice bitting on that. That is very cool. Oh, awesome, mate. Absolutely appreciate that. Absolutely. But what we got here? Not your typical American, pinned by Ryan mcCreary. That was a really nice. It's a 5200. So waiting that. And we've got a couple of stock 5200s. And do you know what though? My good friend Bobby Keys a while ago sent me some nice spare blanks. So that should be awesome. Oh, thank you very much, Ryan, mate. Do love me American padlocks. Absolute great locks. And last but least, what have we got? You never forget your first. Oh, gantry. Excellent. Excellent challenge lock. Oh, fantastic. I don't think I've put my gantry locks. There's a possibility, but I don't think I can remember that I have. Absolute awesome round, mate. Great stuff. Please check out Ryan mcCreary. Awesome guy. He is the main guy at Lock Sport Community on Discord. Absolute great guy. I'll leave his name up in the description there, as well as the Discord chat and that. But absolute thank you very much, Ryan, mate. Absolutely loving this stuff. And the holder, fantastic, mate. I really do appreciate it. Well, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. Don't forget to like.